It's time for your weekly boiler tip.
When you're trying to get your plant up and running, the last thing that you want to run into is pilot failures. And there are a lot of reasons that we can have pilot failures. But a really common issue is an issue with the flame scanner. So this flame scanner, ultraviolet flame scanner's job is to detect and verify the presence of flame. That's for our safety, not always for our convenience. If we're energizing the igniter, we're energizing the pilot fuel valve, and we're not getting a flame signal, we could see a flame from the back of the burner, but still not get a flame signal if the scanner's not working correctly. So we want to look at a few simple things that we can check with our scanners. The first thing I'm going to do if I'm getting a weak or intermittent flame signal is just pull the scanner, because it has a glass eye that the ultraviolet light has to pass through to activate the scanner. And obviously, if that's covered with dirt, it's not going to pick up the flame signal well. If it doesn't pick up a flame signal, it's going to lock out. So this is one portion. We need to visually inspect it, look for evidence of moisture inside, things like that. But it's also connected to a tube. And on this burner, it's a fairly short tube, but that tube also has to be unblocked, clear, and preferably clean for the UV to get to the scanner. So a common tool that I like to use to clean that scanner tube is a shotgun cleaning kit. Just anything that's a brush on a stick can polish the inside of that tube to make sure it's clean and give us the best view. We can also look down the scanner tube. On this unit, you probably have to use your iPhone to look down it, but what we want to make sure is that it can see where the pilot flame should be. If there's been refractory work or anything done on the boiler that's been open, we could have a piece of gasket in there or refractory put exactly where it shouldn't be over the scanner hole. Those are things we can also look out for. If we've inspected the scanner, we've verified the wiring, that we don't have a loose connection, something like that. The part of the flame safeguard that the scanner talks to is the amplifier card. So the amplifier card takes the raw signal from the scanner and translates it to the voltage that the control's looking for. So these can go bad. It's not a bad part to have in stock. It's fairly safe to change out, doesn't require any special tools or anything. And if that's beyond what you feel comfortable doing, you can always call for service.